It's me. Why don't I just turn? There we go. I just wanted to show you what I'm wearing. Right, let's go.
With a population of 2.3 million, I've come to Nagoya. It's the 4th biggest city in Japan, but I've only come for one reason. There's a Legoland here. That's my hotel room there. And it took about half an hour to get down from there to here. Well, I actually flew into Osaka Airport. If you look, the airport's actually built on an island. Then I took the Japanese fast train to Nagoya. Oh yeah! Here we are at the entrance gate. It's just opposite the hotel. It costs about 40 quid to get in. It were actually a Japanese holiday when I went, so there were quite a lot of people. That's the shop at the entrance. This is the main town square area. That's a monkey and an elephant made out of Lego. And another monkey. Oh, that's a ride you can go up to the top. It's like a viewing platform thing. This is just too sick. This whole cityscape's just amazing. It's all just made out of Lego. Japanese Shinkansen fast train. There's a helicopter. Oh, I've been on that building. All this is outside, so it's subject to rain and hail. Big car park, big baseball arena. I've got hot minifigures in there. There's more in there than my house. This is an Osaka cityscape view. I've been there. That's a Japanese subway train. And then there were loads of rides for kids. It were more themed for kids, really. But I did have a really good time. And I took loads of photos. I didn't actually go on any of these rides. We're just going around perving over everything. Like that. The Octan petrol station. These little fire trucks. Probably wanted to go in a fire truck. Can't blame her. And you can pretend to be a fireman here. You have to play this little game, pumping fire engine to make it move towards fire. And then spray water at the fire. It's a Lego jail. There were loads of like areas where you could play with Lego. And then there were a Lego roller coaster as well. Went on that. Some wolves made out of Lego. And they had all the foods. Check out this Lego hot dog. Japanese people seem to be enjoying it anyway. Then we went inside the Lego making factory. Watched a weird film. And then went into the bit where you could actually see them making Lego bricks. And I must say, I were loving this bit. Look at this, conveyor belts. And then this thing here, it prints the special Lego bricks that they only give you here. Everyone that goes through the factory is given a special little brick with Osaka logo on. The factory itself worked like a ride, so you had to queue for it. And that meant that people went round like twice, 3 times just to get more of these bricks. So they had to endure that painful video several times. Yeah, you could make some cars and throw them down there. or throw them down a pole. Well, 14 hours flying time and 12,000 miles. Were it worth it? It were alright. I'd still probably like to go to Billund. It's a bit different there, isn't it? This were more just like for kids. But I got my fill anyway. Right, I'll see you later. Bye!